I know that much, ladies and gentlemen, in Parliament. The lady who even lives in hills. A lot of politicians are looking up to her. Ladies and gentlemen, Senator Karen Nyamo. Wapi makofi yake? Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Now, I want us to get straight into it. Amina, whatever you are, you should be getting ready. Now, a few house rules as I begin official, ladies and gentlemen. We are live across the world. So please, let's make Kenya look like we are behaved. All right? For today, behave your suit, behave your makeup, behave your hair. Let us not embarrass the capital city of Africa. Are we together? So number one, if you have a mobile phone that probably rings like a PA system, please put it on vibrate mode. I'm asking you kindly. Thank you very much. Ukikosa nafasi, tafadhali, it's okay. When we are launching your own, you shall have a place to sit, all right? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And of course, finally, just shake the hand of the person sitting next to you. Tell them you're looking amazing. Oh, tell them I could not have sat next to somebody any better. Please, hey, please, DJ Piera, tell Antonio, please tell him. It's simply the first compliment ever this week. Please, thank you very much. Ladies, tell each other you're looking good. Ladies, really give each other compliments. Come on. Ladies, tell each other you're looking good, apart from Kinuthia. Tell each other you're looking good. Thank you so much. Sorry, that just came out.
Kinuthia looks amazing, Ofweneke. I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
Wapi kelele ya Kinuthia?
Nimesema. Wacha nikwambia hamtafanya ni trend. Hamtafanya ni trend. Well, hiyo ni compliment nilitoa. Kinuthia, you're looking good. Sawa. Yeah. Jackie, wewe ndo umejibu.
Ofweneke toka kwa stage, nasikia kuna mtu anaita Hype Ola anataka kukuja.
Hii suit ya ishuki hivyo. You just have to come down with. I like the way you come down the stairs. I normally watch you, sir. There's a way your suit, even when you're climbing, there's a way it flies. I have studied, let me tell you, I have studied you, sir. I have studied carefully and keenly. I like it. So, yeah. Amina, let's go.
All right, now, ladies and gentlemen, please get up on your feet. There has to be some kind of energy that we have to feel in the room. Na unanikana bobash. Simameni kila mtu simameni. Na kuona simama. Na kucheki baby. Okay, Hype Ola, where you at? Right. Tuanzishe karamu vilivyo, sivyo?
Amazing.
Ricky G ako in the building, alafu na boy Shabasha aje.
Asante. So patia jirani kwanza high five, ambia jirani you're looking good.
You're looking good.
But I'm looking better.
I'm looking better.
Kama kai. Unaiba patia jirani high five, mwambie you're looking good. But one, two. All right. So, better show some love for the Bahati Empire. Before tuanze tupige kelele for the Bahati Empire. Tafadhali. Thank you. So, get some on free space, get your free space, stretch hivi kidogo. Thank you, I see you. Tunamuita Ricky G. Stretch kidogo. Thank you, sir, thank you. All right, so put your hands up. Right about now, I want us to celebrate Kenya. For whatever is happening in Kenya, I want us to celebrate Kenya together. My name is Hype Ola. I got DJ Karian. DJ, let's go. Put your hands up. Nice and easy. Put them up. 1, 2, 3, go. Say, manze DJ anatubomba. Say, I can't see you. Kenya. Say, Teres na kuona mikono juu. Weka chini. Chini. Thank you. Chini tena. Asante. Shetani akikuja tunakimbia, si ndio? Tena. Then this is very easy. Go. Dance with me. Go. Amecham kando. Haleluya, kila mtu asikueme. Sigwembe. Weka mikono juu. Mikono juu. Go. Mikono juu. Mikono juu. Mikono juu. One. Put your hands up.
My hands, your ways.
Go.
My heart,
Pull up. Weka hizo mikono juu, mikono juu kila mtu. Asante. Thank you, thank you, thank you. DJ Karen, let's go. Weka kando. To the side. To the side. To the side. To the side. Piga makofi juu. Piga makofi. Do the dance with me right now. Go. Go now. Weka kando hivi. Go. Weka. Makofi. Go. Makofi. Unasema oye. Piga. Go. Makofi. Kila mtu sema. Leta hivi. I want us to celebrate Kenya right now, right? Pole pole hivi. Pole pole.
Jalabi winje.
Pole pole. You know this dance, sinio?
Jalabo.
Cut.
Kula goma.
Kata.
Yanamiana.
Leta.
Kalungo, 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 kalungo.
Watu wa Nyanza. Kalungo. Go.
Kalungo eteko.
Alafu unaweka hivi mikono.
Ni kalungo.
Kanyaga. Kanyaga. I want us to sing together, right? Adoa nyumba. Weko my dear. Weko my dear. Aya, makofi ya mokorino juu. Go. Unaweka hivi kando. 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 Bounce. 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 Tuna celebrate Kenya Raisi sahi, sindio? Wakamba. Twende. Juu, juu. Chini. Ofu. Ofu. Juu. Let's go. Waluya wako hapa. Waluya eh. Waluya eh. And if you love Kenya, make some noise. Okay, shika magoti kidogo, shika magoti. Inama chini kidogo. Watu wameinama hapa wako sawa. Alright, let's go. DJ Karen. Shika kichwa kidogo, inama. Jackie.
Ndio hiyo.
Watu wa disco matanga.
Ndio hiyo.
You ready? Okay, shika magoti. Touch your knees. Tengeneza mabega. Go. 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 Shika kichwa na. Shika mikono. Shika. Say. You look amazing one time. Bado. Ofu. Mabeka. Go. Alafu ofu. Weka mikono.
Let's go. Yes.
1, 2, 3, go.
Twende. Ngoja dicho. Wewe ni hivi ola. Ni nini? Iko nini wewe? Unaikanyanga, unaikoroga, unaiweka pigo hiyo. Haya, so dicho vile tulifanya Dubai kabla tufukuze. Sawa. Hands up, let's go.
Put your hands up.
Put your hands up.
Twende kazi.
Let's
Wapiga tu makofi baada pole pole go. Ruka.
Let's go.
Tena.
Twende.
Ruka mikono juu. Ofu.
Twende. Come on. Let's go.
Chini. Go.
Twende.
Get a neighbor. Get a neighbor. Wait. Twende. Wait. Get a neighbor. Hey. Ofu. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Go. Ruka.
One final time.
Tena.
Twende. Turn.
Tena. Mabeka. Kiuno. Let's go. Korean. Vita kando.
Hey, Ola.
Yeah.
Wanasema contract ilikuwa imesema mpaka hapo.
Mpaka hapo iishe.
Yes.
Imeisha hapo.
Well,
Jipigeni makofi tafadhali.
let's appreciate them, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you so much. The
Wow.
name is Hype Ola.
You can sit on your enemies.
Sure.
Hey. Kwani hata mimi si binadamu? Hey. Deputy President, when we are requesting for you to support and continue investing both mind and money into the creative industry, because this is how we are earning a living. All of us, including the one sitting next to, we are all university dropouts. Wewe wacha Antonio nyamaza, wewe hata driving school ulitoka. So tumejikaza hapo. So this is what we do to earn all these ones. Tuko na watoto waendelee kutu support. But thank you sir, thank you so much for gracing this amazing event. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to now invite, of course, my co-MC for the night. Let's appreciate the one and only Amina Rabah. Yes.
Thank you. There we go. Oh, mine is what yours is not working. I'm sorry. I know.
Wow. This is how you guys flip things on us.
Yeah. Let me just say hi to my people. This is the entertainment industry side, right? Hi, guys. I see Rispa, I see Mulamwa, I see Nasieku. Oh my God. I think it's Colo Blue, something, right? Yeah? Okay, but they're pretty big on TikTok. Who else do I see? I see Rispa. I see Jackie Matubia. Hey, Jackie.
What?
Our blogs would be so boring without you.
Yeah,
God.
she's so blessed.
You're
She's
helping
so blessed.
so many families keep food on the table. I see QP. How are you, QP? And then, of course, there's Jackie VK. How are you, my darling? And then there's Chipukizi. Hata siko najua unajua Mungu, bro. I'm so shocked.
Wapi? Kwa Jesus
So
ndo listen.
shocked.
Jesus, that is why he
So
draws the
shocked.
line. On Jesus is why he draws the line.
And then there's Piera McKenna. They're very sexy, very gorgeous. And then there's Sam, who has more money than me. So I don't know kama watu wakiarewa kwa hapa ama ndo watu tunataka kutax. I feel like he's giving us a bad name.
Unachoma.
Ni huyu.
Gava iko hapa.
Ni huyu.
Check.
Ni
Amina.
huyu. Ni
Amina.
huyu. Ninyamaze. Nilenge.
Unajua MCs haiko kwa taxes.
Oh. Sisi na churches tuko same.
Sisi hata churches.
Nilenge.
Lenga.
All right. So
We are
now,
doing this we are the family. We are yeah. I think we've been paid.